Okay, fine, you wanna play? He thinks he can be like really quiet and stuff. Even me with my eyes, I see it. It's white, beautiful white colored. It's like a huge white ibis, but it's like way doubly bigger. Look at this beautiful bird, though. There's that pond again. Wow, look at how beautiful. There's some really radical birds out here, you know that? I hear them. Oh, look at the pretty clouds. Yeah, obviously you can tell that I'm doing very, very good. Bitcoin took some hard hits, but I'm having a good day. Obviously, Litecoin rebounded, and of course, Dogecoin is looking great. Oh, look how beautiful you are. Let's see if we can. Hey! Woo! Woo! Oh, you think you're being all cool by just sitting there, not moving. Like I can't see you or something. Let me just be really still, like a bird that doesn't move. There he goes. Or she. As we watch the bird stalk its prey. Beautiful. I mean, it's probably the biggest bird I've ever seen in Florida. I mean, you see those great white, gray blue herons. Those are big, but this sucker's got some wings on it, man. Oh my god. Well, yeah, you know what? The brown pelicans are pretty big too. They have that huge. You know what? It's ready. It's on. We're gonna go chase after it. Dude, you got no wings, yo. You got no ups. You can't go that fast, dude. I know how you are. I already saw you fly. Wow, look at him go, man. Wow, did you see how beautiful those wings were? How just like this kind of. It's fine. I want to cry. This bird is so beautiful. Oh my God, you are beautiful, bird. Come play, man. Okay, we'll go chase after it again a little bit more. I could go after it right now. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. I don't feel like bringing the scooter, like leaving it and bringing it. And got this kickstand on. I got quite a limp today. It's been this way for a few days. Oh. What's it trying to look for? I wonder. Yeah, I'm having a hard time walking today. It's it might be the coconut oil. Too much saturated fat. I'm just. Yesterday's my last day doing heavy amounts of coconut oil, consuming it, ingesting it. So, anyway, here's the pond. We gotta find the name of this place. It's on Madison.